This is the overview of urinary system. Urinary system has two kidneys, ureter, these long tubes going all the way down to the urinary bladder. It's called ureter. We have two ureters, and urinary bladder, and a urethra right here. This is called urinary tract. Infection of the urinary tract is called urinary tract infection, UTI. Most of the time, the urinary tract infection is caused by E. coli bacteria. So there is a blood supply to the kidney, each kidney, which is supplied by this abdominal aorta. Abdominal aorta branch into renal artery right here, and also other side, right side and left side, both sides. They are renal artery. And you can also visualize celiac artery right here. And this one is a superior mesenteric artery, and other one below, inferiorly. They are located. They are called inferior mesenteric artery. They supply blood to the mesentery, abdominal mesentery. And this blood vessels, blue one, this one is called inferior vena cava. The kidney, renal artery supply blood to the kidney, and renal vein brings blood to the inferior vena cava, and from the inferior vena cava it goes to the right atrium. So there are the renal vein also, you can see here, coming from the right kidney, and also coming from left kidney. And you can see here common iliac vein right here. When this abdominal, inferior vena cava, blood is coming from common iliac vein, right common iliac vein and left common iliac vein. In the same way, abdominal aorta also we have it also branch into two, which is called right common iliac artery and left common iliac artery. So they are the blood circulation. We're gonna go more detail about the blood circulation inside the kidney in another video. So the kidney has a nephron, which is called structural unit of the kidney, which is called nephron. Nephron, actually, I will show you the picture of the nephron in other video. But you can see here also a small tiny nephron. This one is a outer layer of the kidney, which is called cortex, and cortex has 1 million nephron in each kidney. So nephron is a functional unit of the kidney, found in the cortex region, and some of the tubules goes to the medulla. You're gonna see more detail in other video. So right now, you just remember this one is the outer layer of the kidney, which is called cortex, and you will see in the second layer has a second layer is called medulla, and it consists of renal pyramid. There are several renal pyramids right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So they are renal pyramid, and more detailed structure I'm gonna go over in another video. Okay, so that's it from here. No, I still have to tell you about the bladder. The urine comes from the kidney, okay, from here in the renal pelvis. From the renal pelvis, it comes down to the urinary bladder. So urinary bladder has a muscular layer, which is smooth muscle right here. This smooth muscle is also called detrusor muscle, which has receptors, which is called muscarinic receptors, and also is controlled by parasympathetic nervous system for the urination purpose. The bladder will contract and urine can be expelled from the urinary bladder. And inside the bladder, you can see right here, these are called rugae, and they have a transitional epithelium found in the urinary bladder. There is a opening right here, the first opening, and this opening, and another opening is here, and the three openings here, right? These three openings are called trigone. These two openings coming from the ureter. That's why this is called ureter orific, and here also there is another ureter orific, and another one right here nearby the urethra. This is called urethral orifice, and the urethra nearby the prostate gland right here. There are two prostate glands, and this area where the urine passes through this area is called prostatic urethra, and you can see in this area also we can see a sphincter, internal sphincter found in this area, and external is sphincter you cannot see here, but I can show you in other video. So it's internal sphincter and external sphincter. They controls the flow of the urine outside the urinary bladder. In sphincter is the area, circular muscles, which stops the flow of the urine from the urinary bladder. So this trigone found in the floor of the bladder. Okay, so this is the structure of the urinary bladder, and this prostate gland only found in the male. Female don't have this kind of prostate gland, and we're gonna learn more about this ureter, prostate gland, and also urethra in another video. Thank you.